Today's topic is double integration by trapezoidal rule. Double integration is given as area A is equal to integration x0 to xn integration y0 to ym f of xy dx dy, equation number 1. This double integration can be evaluated by successive integration in both x and y direction, considering one variable at a time. Now first interval, that is x0 to xn, this interval is divided into n number of sub-interval with step size h, and second interval, that is y0 to ym, is divided into m number of sub-interval with step size k. Therefore, for first interval, that is x0 to xn, the step size h is calculated as xn minus x0 divided by n. Similarly, for second interval, the step size k is calculated as ym minus y0 divided by m. As we all know that the trapezoidal rule is applicable for single strip, that is when n is equal to 1. Therefore, for a single strip, that is n is equal to 1 and m is equal to 1, equation 1 becomes area A is equal to x0 to n is equal to 1 and m is equal to 1. Therefore, x1 integration y0 to yn f of xy dx dy, equation number 2. Now we have to integrate this equation both in x and y direction. Therefore, first integrating the equation number 2 with respective to x, which is equal to area A is equal to y0 to y1 h by 2 f of x0y plus f of x1y dy. As we know that area by using trapezoid is given as h by 2 y0 plus y1. Now integrating the same equation, that is this equation, with respective to y, and it is equal to A is equal to h by 2 k by 2 f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y0 plus f of x0 y1 plus f of x1 y1. Finally, you will get A is equal to hk by 4 f of x0 y0 f of x1 y1 f of x0 y1 and f of x1 y1. Now, if we write all these values of x and y in the table form as shown in figure, see here, these are the values of x. First one is x0, second one is x1. These are the values of y, y0 and y1. Therefore, this value becomes f of x0 y0, first value, f of x0 y0. Our formula is A is equal to hk by 4 f of x0 y0, that is this value. Now second, f of x1 y0, f of x1 y0, that is this value. Now third one is f of this x0 y1, f of x0 y1, this value. And last one is f of x1 y1, that is this value. Therefore, from the figure, we can say that area A is equal to hk by 4 sum of square terms, A square terms. This is area A. Therefore, this formula A is equal to hk by 4 f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y0 plus f of x0 y1 plus f of x1 y1 can be written as A is equal to hk by 4 sum of A square term, that is sum of all these terms. This formula is applicable for n is equal to 1, that is number of strip is equal to 1. Number of strip is equal to 1. But if we have n number of strips, then Again, write all the values of x and y in the table form as these are the values of x, x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 up to xn. Similarly, these are the values of y, y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 up to yn. Therefore, this value is f of x0, y0. This value is f of x1, y0. This value is f of x2, y0. This value is f of x3, y0. Likewise, write all the values of function. Then the formula is for n number of strip is equal to, as we know that for single strip it is sum of a square term, that is this 1, 2, 3 and 4, these 4 values, that is it is a1, area a1. Therefore, from figure a is equal to hk by 4 sum of a1 square term, that is f of x0, f of x1, y0 plus f of x0, y1 plus f of x1, y1 plus sum of b square a2. Consider it as area a2. Therefore, a2 is equal to f of plus f of x1 y0, f of x2 y0, f of x1 y1, f of x2 y2. Similarly, third, this square, that is a3 plus f of x2 y0, f of x3 y0, f of x2 y1 and f of x3 y1. Likewise, add all the areas, you will get area under the given curve by using trapezoidal rule up to an. This is the final formula to obtain the area under the given curve by using the trapezoidal rule. Now let us solve an example for this trapezoidal rule. Solve double integration of function f of x comma y is equal to x plus y for x is equal to 1 to 3 and y is equal to 0 to 2 with the number of strips for both x and y is 2. Here the given function is f of x comma y is equal to x plus y with the limits of integration. For x, the limits of integration is x is equal to 1 to 3, that is 1 to 3, and for y it is 0 to 2. Given function is x plus y dx dy with the number of strips, that is n and m for both x and y is 2. Therefore, n is equal to 2 and m is equal to 2. Now, here we have to find out the various values of x and y, that is x0, x1, x2, x3, x4 up to xn, and various values of y as y0, y1, y2, y3, y4 up to ym, and from that you have to calculate the values for the given function. Therefore, first step, initial value of x0. x0 is given as 1, initial limit, and final value of x is, that is xn, which is equal to 3. Similarly, for y, initial value of y0 is 0 and final value of ym is equal to 2. Now step number 1, that is calculate step size for x. As we know that h is the step size for the interval x0 to xn. Therefore, h is equal to xn minus x0 divided by n, which is equal to xn is 3, x0 is 1 divided by n is 2, which is equal to 1. Therefore, h is equal to 1. This is the step size for the interval x0 to xn. Similarly, step size for y, and it is k. K is equal to, therefore, ym minus y0 divided by m. Ym is 2 minus y0, 0 divided by 2, which is equal to 1. That is k is equal to 1. Now, next step is to find the corresponding values of x and y. For this h is equal to 1 and k is equal to 1, you have to find the various values of x and y. As we have x0 is equal to 1, step size is h is equal to 1. Therefore, next value x1 is equal to x0 plus h, which is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Next value x2 is equal to x0 plus 2h. x0 is again 1, 2h, 2 into 1, 3. Therefore, x2 is equal to 3, which is the last value, that is xn. As the limit x0 is equal to 1 and last limit is 3, therefore this value is xn. Similarly, for y values, y0 is equal to 0. Therefore, next value of y1 is equal to y0 plus k, that is step size. That is 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Similarly, y2 is equal to 2. This is the last value, therefore ym. Now next step is find the value of given function. Given function is x plus y. Given function is find the value of f of xy. The function is x plus y. Now here we have to find the various values of the given function. Now keeping y0 constant for all values of x. Here you have to keep y0 as a constant for all values of x. It means that you have to change the values of x keeping y0 constant. Therefore, first value, the values of x are x0, x1, x2. Therefore, f of x0 keeping y0 constant, f of x1 keeping y0 constant, f of x2 keeping y0 constant, which is equal to function is x0 plus y0. Function is x plus y. Therefore, 0, 0, x0 plus y0. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Similarly, next value f of x1 y0 is equal to x1 plus y0. x1 is 2, y0 is 0, which is equal to 2. The last value is x2 plus y0. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Now second, keeping y1 constant, keeping the term y1 constant for all values of x. Therefore, f of x0 y1 constant, y1, f of x1 y1, f of x2 y1. The function is x plus y. Therefore, x0 plus y1, x0 is 1 and y1 is 1. Therefore, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Similarly, f of x1 y1, that is x1 plus y1 is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, and next x2 plus y1 is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now next step is keeping y2 constant for all values of x. Therefore, this y2 kept same. Therefore, function becomes f of x0 y2, f of x1 y2, f of x2 y2, and the values are x0 plus y2, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, x1 plus y2, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, x2 plus y2 is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Now these are the various values of the given function f of x comma y is equal to x plus y. Now next step is to tabulate all the values of the given function. These are the values of x, these are the values of y. x0, x1, x2, y0, y1, y2. The table is, this value is f of x0, y0, f of x1, y0, f of x2, y0, f of x2, y2. Likewise, prepare the table. Now, as we have calculated all the values for the given function, just put the values in the next table. F of x0, y0, this is f of x0, y0, which is equal to 1. Now next value is f of x1, y0, f of x1, y0, which is equal to 2. Third value f of x2, y0, x2, y0 is equal to 3. Now next value is f of x0, y1, x0, y1, which is equal to 2. Then next f of x1, y1, f of x1, y1, which is equal to 3. Last f of x2, y1, which is equal to 4. Likewise, add this term 3, 4, 5. Now next step is to calculate the area for the given function. Right now we have calculated all the values of function. We are having formula A is equal to hk by 4 sum of a1 square term for single strip. Now here number of strips are 2. Therefore A is equal to hk by 4 sum of a1 square term, that is this first square, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2, plus sum of a2 square term, this is square number 2, that is a2, this is a1, this is a2, similarly this is a3 and this one is a4. Addition of area a1, area a2, area a3 and area a4 will give you the total area under the given curve by using trapezoidal rule. Therefore the formula is A is equal to hk by 4 sum of a1 square term plus sum of a2 square term plus sum of a3 square term and last sum of a1 square term. H is equal to 1, k is equal to 1. Therefore 1 into 1 divided by 4. Now sum of a1 square, 1, 2, 2, 3. These are the terms associated with a1 square. Therefore 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3. Sum of a2 square, the terms are 2, 3, 3, 4. Therefore 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. Sum of a3 square, a3 this square, the terms are 2, 3, 3, 4. Therefore 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. And last a4, 3, 4, 4, 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5. After solving, total area A is equal to 12.